How to refund a sale in AAAPOS RetailManager. To refund a sale in AAAPOS RetailManager, follow these steps. Go to the Sales window. Hit F6 or select Sales from the Transaction menu to open up the Sales window. Scan or search for the items that are being refunded. In the quantity field, enter a negative number, like -1, -2, etc., to show that you're refunding those items. Apply any discounts. If there was a discount on the original sale, enter it in the discount field. Don't enter it as a negative percentage. The system will automatically adjust it as a negative amount if needed, for example, for a 10% discount. Select the payment method for the refund. In the Payment Details section, pick the same payment method that was used for the original sale, like Visa, EFTPOS, or cash. Once done, hit Enter. Important: make sure the refund method matches the original payment. For example, if the sale was made with Visa, process the refund with Visa too. If you choose a cash refund, the amount will show up in both the Commit Transaction and Cash Change windows. Note: if you're using a credit card or EFTPOS method and the terminal isn't connected to RetailManager, you'll need to handle the refund manually on the EFTPOS machine. Add a comment, optional. If you want to include any details, like the original receipt number, press F3 while selecting the payment method and add your comment in the comments field. Complete the refund. After double-checking everything, commit the transaction to process the refund. Pro tip: before refunding, always use the lookup function to check the original transaction. This will make sure you're refunding the right items and amounts. You can find more on this in the RetailManager video tutorials, under the Tools menu, Lookup. By following this guide, you should be able to process refunds in RetailManager smoothly and without any issues.